Greetings with love and light. Um, I just made a video on solar flares and spiritual awakening. That is actually 25 minutes video. I just want to give some heads up on that video to explain few important components. So before watching that video, if you watch it, it will give you some clarity. First point is solar flares. Solar flares is always happening. Okay, it's always happening. And there is always a radiation from sun to earth that will affect the electromagnetic field of the earth, which can be measured in Schumann resonance. And through looking at reading the Schumann resonance chart, we can measure the collective consciousness of the earth, which is a pretty common phenomenon. Even in 2001, during that terrorist attack on Twin Tower, there was a huge surge in Schumann resonance chart. That was because of the collective shock experienced by the humanity all over the earth. And the same thing around 2011, there was another huge surge in Schumann resonance chart that was due to the earthquake that happened in Japan. Okay, so I was just explaining how the collective consciousness have and like the electromagnetic field have an impact on collective consciousness. Okay, the second thing I was speaking about the physical effect that we will experience on the earth in the physical level, which is also a pretty common phenomenon. There is always a small movement in the tectonic plate due to the thermal field change and electromagnetic field change, geomagnetism field change. Um, I will show you the statistics. Actually, around 20,000 earthquakes are happening all over the world and 55 per day. But the magnitude of these earthquakes are really very less. Five, when it is less than five, there will be no impact. The real concern will be when it is greater than 7 or greater than 8. Okay, so that is also always happening. Okay, so always there will be a small movement in the tectonic plate, and due to that, there will be small earthquakes that happens. Okay, so which is also a normal phenomenon. The important thing that I wanted to convey here is the number of solar flares. That is the main point I wanted to share. Okay, not on the physical impact that it has on Earth. That is a normal phenomenon. Here, our focus is how number of flares. Okay, it is going to be huge. Okay, because of the huge like because of the increased number of solar flares that is predicted that is going to occur in 2024, even though there are going to be the side effects of that, the main effect is going to be a good cause. It is actually a welcoming one. The main effect is the human consciousness level is going to go up. That is the main factor that we have to focus. The other things are some side effects that happens, okay, when we receive that light code. Okay, solar flares is nothing but the photons. We are receiving the photons, right? So we are going to receive huge amount of photons that will activate our DNA. We have right now two strands. Our DNA is not, all strands are not activated, but these light codes, it is believed that these light codes will activate our DNA and it will increase our consciousness. So the reason why I wanted to convey that message is we have to get prepared to receive that light code. We have to get ready. How we can get ready? We have to increase our vibration to accommodate the light. If our vibration is not enough to accommodate the light, then we will experience the um, impact in both in physical level and psychological level. We will experience it, the impact. Okay, so to accommodate that light, we have to work on increasing our vibration so that we can welcome that light code and we can make use of that light code and increase our consciousness. So this is the point that I want to convey through that video. So after watching this video, if you watch that video, then it will make sense. Okay, thank you.